Dreams without goals are just dreams, and here's your first step to turn them into reality. Hello everyone, I am Vidya and welcome to another video from Finance Talks TV. If you're not a part of our tribe yet, please hit the subscribe and bell icon. We started this video with the powerful quote by Denzel Washington that indicates the importance of goal setting to enhance your life progress. So the step towards progress in life or in personal finance is by setting realistic goals. Think of it as an unavoidable step to turn the dream into reality. But wait, what can be goals? How to set them? Watch the video till end while I take you through the basics of financial goal setting. If you work for a corporate, you should already know that the goals have to be smart. You would have heard from your boss many times, right? Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time bound. And guess what? The same is applicable with personal goals as well. The SMART criteria ensures that your objectives are crystal clear, trackable, realistic, aligned with your purpose and comes with a deadline. It acts like a compass that guides you towards success and allows you to measure the progress along the way. It is about what you want to achieve and by when. Anything that you want to achieve now or in the next 2 to 3 years are short-term goals, like buying that dream car or taking a course or taking an international trip. Write it down or use an Excel sheet to note down that number. Like if you're planning a Dubai trip, find out how much it costs and note down the number. Remember, the goals should be measurable. You can use the spreadsheet available in the description box to make this easy. Now let us think what you want to achieve in the medium term goals. Anything that you want to achieve in 3 to 7 years time frame is termed as medium term. Again, this is personal. Personal finance is called so for a reason. A thing that works for me or your friend may not work for you. A thing that works great for you may turn out bad for me or your friend. So depending upon you, write down your medium term goals. It could be your kid's college fee which is due in another 6 years or a house down payment that is due in another 5 years or anything that you want to achieve in this time period. Do not forget to note down how much it costs today. Next are long-term goals. Here you can add any goals that are far away. Ensure that you add your retirement to your long-term goal. Inflation, it plays a very big role in your long-term goal. For example, if you spend 50,000 per month and if you're 31 years old, you are likely to spend more than 2 lakh per month by the time you are 60 to maintain the same lifestyle. Think of it like a roti curry which costed 60 rupees just a few years ago, costing 80 rupees now. Or a dosa which costed 10 rupees a few years ago, costing 80 now. You can use online calculators to calculate the rupee value of your goal. Now you have your goals, you know how much you need and by when. I hope it gave you a clearer picture of your life goals and their values and you are ready to move towards your life goals. Invest what is needed to achieve these goals by managing risk based on your timelines you have in hand. Click that subscribe button for more upcoming videos that helps you to reach your goals and dreams. Until then, may your money glow brighter each day.